Hi, this is Steve from Robinsons1874.com Hardware and Rental. We've been serving the Hudson community since 1874 with the same ownership since 1963. We're showing off our Takeuchi Tb016 mini excavator. Our handy dandy operator is Russ. This is a fairly new unit. It does have the thumb, does have an articulated arm where it will go 90 degrees one direction, 45 the other. It does have the expandable track so you get a wider footprint. Has the dozer blade attachment and does have the light options. It's powered by a Yanmar diesel and it's a great little machine. Russ is going to start it up. We're going to show you everything is fully operational, ready to go, whether you're renting it or buying it. Gives you roughly an 8-foot digging depth. Good reach. There's the 45-degree rotation, and now he'll show the 90-degree rotation. He's going to show the expansion of the footprint. So there's your narrow track, and now it's going to go out one side and then the other. There's your wide track option. The machine does have 2 forward and reverse operating speeds for travel. There's the faster speed. Tracks are in wonderful condition. Barely any wear or any use on the tracks. This machine's ready to go, ready to rent, ready to buy. We look forward to seeing you at Robinsons1874.com Hardware and Rental. Thanks for watching.